Hello friends, in previous lecture we see connecting lemmas and some properties of meet and join. Now in this lecture we are going to study sublattices and products. Now in this lecture we are going to study sublattices and products. One definition here, let L be a lattice L, this algebraic structure has a 1 if there exists one belongs to L such that one meet A is equal to A for all A belongs to L. If it has a 1, then if we take one meet A is equal to A for all A belongs to L, then one exists. Now its dual statement L, this algebraic structure has a 0 if there exists 0 belongs to L such that 0 join A is equal to A for all A belongs to L. Dual statement of this statement, 0 join A is equal to A for all A belongs to L. Then we say L as a 0. The lattice has a 1 if and only if the order set has a top element and 1 is equal to top. Lattice has a 1 if and only if this order set, this is an poset order set, has a top element and this top 1 is equal to top element. Its dual statement, this as 0 if and only if this order set has bottom element and 0 is equal to bottom. 0 is equal to bottom. A finite lattice possessing 0 and 1, then it is called bounded lattice. A finite lattice. A lattice zero and 1, then it is called bounded lattice. Then it is called bounded lattice. Here finite lattice is a bounded lattice. And see, 1 is equal to join of L and 0 is equal to meet of L. That means 1 and 0 exist. 1 is equal to finite, then 1 exists and 1 is equal to join of L. 0 exists and 0 is equal to meet of L, and it is bounded lattice. One example here, a lattice N0 with LCM, that means join, and GCD, meet, is a bounded lattice. Bounded lattice. And here 1 is equal to 0 and 0 is equal to 1. In this case, 1 element means 0 element, because here relation is division and every element of N0 divides 0. Every element of N0 divides 0. So here top is 0. Top is 0. And so it is 1 is equal to 0. And zero means here 1 divides every element of N0. 1 divides to every element of N0. That means bottom is 1 and so here 0 is 1. So 0 is 1. That means here top is 0 and bottom is 1. Bottom is 1. Here this one is for top. Here bottom. And 0 for our regular 0 in N0. Regular 1 in 1. Now, sublattice. Sublattice. Let L be a lattice. Let L be a lattice and a non-empty subset M of L is said to be sublattice of L if A join B belongs to M and A meet B belongs to M for all AB belongs to M. That means meet and join exists for every pair in M. Meet and join exists for every pair of M, and M is a subset of L, and then M is called sublattice. M is called sublattice of L. Collection of sublattice of L is denoted by sub L, and sub L 0 means sub L union singleton phi, and both are, that means this and this sub L0 are, both are order set. Order, that means partial order set under subset relation, inclusion under subset relation. Any one example here, any one element set of lattice is a sublattice. Any one element set of a lattice is a sublattice. Now, also any non-empty chain in L is a sublattice. Up here. That means here this is lattice, and if you take chain, this shaded element, this 1, 2, this chain is a sublattice. Chain is a sublattice of this lattice. Chain is a sublattice of this lattice. Now, here example of this is lattice, okay? Shaded element form a sublattice. Form a sublattice. That means this element. If we take these two elements, join of this is, meet of this is. If you take these two elements, then join of these two is this element. Similarly, join of these two is this element, meet of these two is this element. So this is here another diagram. These are in this figure, and so these shaded elements is a sublattice of this lattice. Shaded element is a sublattice of this lattice. Here another figure here. if we denote, suppose these elements 0, 1, A, B, C, D, E, F. In this figure, in this lattice, shaded element do not form sublattice. Here AC belongs to this, but A join C is equal to E does not belong. If we take M here, does not belongs to M. Here M is containing A, C, D, F only, 4 elements. M contains A, C, D, F. Here A meets C is equal to 0 and 0 does not belong to this. So this shaded element is not a sublattice. Similarly, here another, if we take another example, that means these elements, shaded elements, this is also not a sublattice. This is also not a sublattice, because if you take here any two elements, these two, meet of these two is this element, and this element is not shaded, and so it is not a sublattice. It is not a sublattice. Now, products. Let L and K be lattices, define join and meet coordinatoids on L cross K by here L1 K1 join L2 K2 is equal to L1 join L2, comma K1 join K2 and meet L1 K1 meet L2 K2 is equal to L1 meet L2 K1 meet K2. Join and meet, define coordinatoids, componentoids. Okay? Here L1 plots L1 to L1, L2, L3, L4 and L4 dual, that means L1 dual, L2 dual, L3 dual, L4. Commutative, absorption, idempotent. These laws satisfied in L1 L cross K. Satisfy L cross K. Now see here L1 K1 join L2 K2 is equal to L2 K2 if and only if by component wise here L1 join L2 join L2 K1 join K2 is equal to L2 K2 if and only if here comparing L1 join L2 is equal to L2 and K1 join K2 is equal to K2. This gives if and only if here L1 is related to L2 and here K1 is related to K2 if and only if L1 K1 related to L2 K2. That means here if L1 K1 join L2 K2 is equal to L2 K2, then L1 K1 related to L2 K2. This all lattice conditions satisfied in L cross K. Now here if we take example, this is 3 cross this is one additional circle 2 square, one additional circle 2 square. Now here take 3 points copy of this, that means one point this, second and third. And corresponding join these two, that means these two corresponding elements. Like this is L cross K or 3 cross 1 additional circle 2 square. Here L is isomorphic to sublattice of L cross K. Similarly, K is isomorphic to sublattice, and here L cross singleton 0, 0 means bottom element, isomorphic to L, and 0 cross K isomorphic to K, where this L cross 0 and 0 cross K are sublattices of L cross K. These are sublattices, and that means L is isomorphic to sublattice of this and K is isomorphic to sublattice of this. Okay, now we stop here. Thank you.